This Chandler home offers space. It's got 3-car garage, 6 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a big backyard that you'll just have to wait to go see. My name's Ben Graham, luxury specialist in the 8448 zip code. That's South Tempe, South Chandler. Right now, we are in Laguna Cove in the gated section of Ocotillo. I'm gonna turn the camera around and we're gonna take a tour here. All right, so first we're walking up. One of the things I love most about this neighborhood is all the green grass in the front yards and these street signs. I know it's little, but they're actually really elegant. It just makes it feel elevated. So again, beautiful curb entryway right up here. You got nice little pavers, and then finally some shade. All right, so we head inside. The first thing I just noticed about this home I love is this solid wood door. You've of course got your digital deadbolt there to make it super convenient for folks. Air conditioning. Speaking of air conditioning, the AC units, 3 units on this house, they are all within the last 4 years of being built. Nice curved staircase here. Again, adds elegance to this home. Again, I stated that there's an abundance of bedrooms. Let's sneak into this first one right down here. They're all really big size, and this one even has its own private bathroom, full tub and shower right there. So whether you make that a guest suite, home office, basically choose your own adventure now. Well, speaking of an office, let's just go into this one while we're at it. Here is another bedroom. Got a huge walk-in closet. No bathroom on this one, but that's okay. Something else I like to notice, that these baseboards are actually really tall. Nice quality baseboards, double door entry on there, French door, and then, hey, there's me. You've got another full bathroom. So again, 1 of 4 full bathrooms. Here's your laundry room set up, and I'm going to make sure my shoes are off. We're good to go. All right, so I will show you the master upstairs here in a little bit, but you've got 2 bedrooms downstairs, and then here is your family room. As you can imagine, a lot of folks are filling in these niches, nooks, whatever, with just drywall so that they can fit even bigger TVs, maybe even covering that stuff up, but nothing that's like super deal killer. Got a gas fireplace here, which I love. My wife and I actually use ours every day in the winter. We absolutely love it. It heats our home and does a great job. There's a peek of the pool. We'll come back to that here in a minute. I want to make sure to show you the really large yard over there. Eat-in kitchen, got this bay window. A lot of natural light coming in here, which I love. And then here's the kitchen. What's this little note say? Oh, real maple. Awesome. Let's see if it's got... So something I do look for is dovetail joints. They're just a little bit higher quality and soft close. This one does not have that, but again, still a nice functional kitchen. Overall, you've got a microwave over here. You actually do have double ovens. There's one there and then one here. Nice little wine beverage fridge. And then refreshments inside. Sure, I'll help myself. I'm a tangerine guy. Beautiful. LaCroix. Actually, I'm a Spindrift guy. If you love Spindrift, let me know your favorite flavors. All right, so what do you think we should do? Should we go upstairs, or I want to save the backyard because that's really my favorite feature. So let's just pop upstairs really quick. Nice plush carpet here. I can actually feel that because I am walking barefoot to keep this house nice and clean. Heading upstairs, got this loft area with a huge office, built-in office. Whether you keep that or not, it's at least there. It's nice. It matches everything, which is nice. So here we've got 1, 2, 3 bedrooms, and then of course this would be the 3rd full bathroom. Up here on the 2nd floor, and these rooms are large. Again, tons of natural light, a lot of recessed lighting in here too, in all the rooms, all the home for that matter, which is super nice. So as you can see, these are really large rooms. I'd guess they're somewhere in that 12 by 15 range, maybe a little bit bigger. And then here we head into the primary suite. You've got these big dual door entries here, and this room is gigantic. It's sometimes hard to tell without furniture in the property, but you know, a king bed is gonna come out to about here, and then everything that direction would be open space. You could put a couch, TV up there, that kind of thing. So nice little retreat. And then here, if we sneak into the closet, aka another room, basically. Love this shoe rack right there. Let's see if this side has one. Yes, it does. Love that. And then a little bit older tile work in here. I get that, so maybe eventually change it, but it's all in really good shape. That's what's most impressive. Sometimes when I see these older homes, when I say old, it's relative, you know, late 90s, early 2000s homes, they're rough, they're beat up, they're you know, they've seen better days. This one does not have that vibe. This is super clean, super well taken care of. You've got your dual sinks here. These are counter height. It's hard to tell, you know, my hip is right here. There's my LaCroix. I should probably open it. Yum. So those are taller counters to make it easier to, you know, get ready for the day, put the makeup on, that kind of thing. And then I just love this view, looking back down the home. This might be a daunting staircase for a 2-year-old, or they might think it's super fun. So let me know what your family would think on this one. All right, I promise you that the outside's my favorite. I am gonna grab my sandals really quick. Just pick those up. All right. Walk through the house with these guys because it is hot. It's Arizona. And yes, this patio gets hot. It's not magic rocks or concrete or pavers by any means. All right, here we are. This is where you're going to spend a lot of time cooling down. So check out this pool, just beautiful. I love all the plants right here. It's a deep pool. I don't think it's a diving pool, but it looks deeper than a normal play pool, which is cool. Nice little spot for your umbrella there. Add a little ambiance, a little water noise there. And then I'm curious what they did with this area. What would you do with this area? I'd really want to know. I mean, it's definitely sized for an RV, but like that gate, you're not getting an RV through. And you couldn't frankly park it here because it's Ocotillo and they have rules against that. Also, if you know what kind of plant this is, I'd be curious. What is going on over here? These are fun ones too. Okay, so barbecue. This is it. This is a nice setup right off the kitchen here. You could do some like pass-through, super easy. That's probably why they don't have a bug screen on that window, just to make it easy to pass through. And then you're set up. You've got actually water out here. You've got drawers for tools, another fridge. You've got your gas grill, electric over there, covered with the umbrellas. More electric here, little seating area. It's dialed in, set up. And then I'm not sure about the sand lot here. Again, maybe kids would play with it, at least in the winter. Not right now, way too hot for that. Oh boy, sprinklers are on now. But look at the size of this yard. You could definitely have a good quality soccer game with the kiddos playing around, maybe put a trampoline, you name it, in one of the corners, or maybe right here over this area. That might be what I would do. So that said, just an oversized lot here, kind of a corner lot, which is great. So that is this home here. Again, Laguna Cove. If I didn't mention it, it's in gated section of Ocotillo, right on Alma School. Well, in Ocotillo, the Village Health Club is right around this corner. If that's something you're into, Black Rock Coffee Shop is awesome, and it's just super easy to get up the freeway. Tons of shopping, tons of restaurants, and just a quality area. So If you want to tour this home or you have specific questions, make sure to DM me or text me. Move me to 480-448-2020 or DM me. Take care.